Hi, I'm Jan Britt of Jan Britt Interiors. Look at these, they're gorgeous. Still have the blues, look at the different transitions of blues. Look at the different heights of the accessories with each other. It adds so much interest, it adds color, and it goes perfect with the color palette. The area rugs that have got all the colors, you can pull all these accessories out to make your room go together really nicely. Sometimes people start off with an area rug for the color palette, some people start off with fabric, some people start off with furniture. There's so many things that can begin your color palette of all the colors that you're going to use. Then you get to accessorize and make the house look beautiful. Look at the colors, just pulling them through, all the colors that you will see in the area rug or in the art. It could be the art. And this just magnifies the beauty. It helps it to be perfect. Don't forget, you have to add the colors 3 times at least in one room to make it very special. And here we have the 1, 2, 3, and then the orange is just one of the colors that you're not really wanting to pull out that much maybe. And so we have it in the area rug or in the art, but you just want to show it's there, but you're not really trying to emphasize it. One way to make your house look even nicer. And I'll be happy to help you with your own home.